dear children, today we will learn how to make Rakhi with the help of different types of material which is available at home. So let's enjoy this festival with your own creative things.
First Rakhi, we are going to make paper rose Rakhi. For this Rakhi, we require Fevicol, scissor, one circle. You can use any material to draw the circle. One small paper with the green color for the leaves and red color ribbon. Instead of ribbon, you can use any other material which is available at home. First, we will make the rose and the leaf, then we will arrange accordingly. I have drawn this circle and cut. Now, take the circle in the hand and we are going to cut it in spiral shape. So first of all, start from the any corner and you have to cut this circle in spiral shape. If you are not able to directly with the help of scissor, you can first draw the shape of spiral inside the circle and then you can cut it. See, my spiral is ready. Now flip it and start from the last corner rolling. How we used to make the quilling? In the same way, first we have to roll the corners and till the end of the middle portion you have to roll it. You can take the support of your another hand fingers, then your rose will become very nice and stiff. When the last circle portion will come, we have to apply glue there to stick the flower. Apply the glue properly and then whichever rolling part is there, you have to just keep it on that and press it with, don't keep so much pressure, otherwise the shape of the rose will change. Our rose is ready. To make the leaf, first we have to cut one square approximately 6 cm by 6 cm. Then fold it in the middle. See, from this right corner to the left corner and this below portion to the above portion. You have to make a small square and after that which are the closed sides that we are not going to cut, but which is open side, there we are going to give the shape of leaf. The remaining portion we will cut it. See, it should look like a leaf. Closed side you are not going to cut, only you will cut the open side. After that, fold it in the middle to get the natural effect of the leaf and then open it. See. Then in the middle portion again we are going to apply the glue as we are going to paste this paper rose on this leaf and then again you have to press it properly. Now you have to take ribbon. Here I have taken the red color ribbon. If you don't have these type of ribbons, you can use any other material like thread, any type of thread, lace. See, here also we are going to apply the glue and this rose we are going to keep it here. So in this way you are going to decorate. If you have kundan beads, you can paste it over here in this empty portion. Otherwise you can make small roses and one here, another here, like this also you can decorate. So use your creativity and decorate this Rakhi. To make another type of Rakhi, we require scissor, Fevicol, one ribbon, then one circle. Again, how we have used the bottle cap or bowl to draw and cut the circle for rose Rakhi. Then we require quilling strips. If you don't have quilling strips, you can cut the paper into small strips. How we started rolling from the one side for the paper rose, in the same way for this strip also you have to start rolling from any of the corner till the end of the strip. You have to roll it. With the help of another hand you can take the support. Otherwise, if you have the quilling needle, you can use that also. Here we have made one circle. Now here I will apply the glue and I will paste this. See, I have made one circle with the help of quilling strip. Now if I want to change the shape of this circle, just I have to press this the above portion, then I will get the shape of petal. If you can see, in this way you can make different types of quilling shapes. Now if I want to do the heart shape quilling, this portion I will press from both the sides, then I will get heart shape quilling. In this way you can create your own quilling shapes and decorate your Rakhi. See, I have made this Rakhi with the help of quilling strips. First I have taken one red color circle, above that I have pasted one golden paper, then I have pasted all the leaves, and in the middle portion again I have taken the golden paper, rolled it, and then I have pasted it, and my quilling Rakhi is ready. This is one more simple type of Rakhi. If you don't have any kind of material at home, you can take your regular drawing paper. You can draw any type of cartoon shape, flower shape, butterfly shape, and you can paint it. Here I have drawn one shape of flower, I have colored it, and then I have pasted one black ribbon at the back side. So if you don't have any kind of material, use your creativity and draw different types of things and decorate your Rakhi. Now this is one more type of Rakhi. For that I have taken one circle and cut it. Then I have taken the quilling strips and cut into small pieces. We are going to use these strips and create one innovative Rakhi. So for that, first apply the glue outer side of the circle. Then one by one take the strips and paste it. I have pasted all the strips outside of the circle. Now one by one I have to take inside. For that I will apply the glue on these edges, and one by one I will fold them in the middle. See children, I have pasted all the strips in the middle, and then again I have made one rose and paste that rose in the middle. Now take the ribbon and apply the glue in the middle portion and paste this Rakhi, and your Rakhi is ready. So children, use homemade material and create innovative and different types of Rakhi and enjoy this festival with your own creativity. Thank you dear children.